Hi again, we were here yesterday if you watched the video and you saw the height was about 8. Here's the height now. So you see it's definitely come up and still coming. This is what's left. 3 steps and then we're on the esplanade. So tram tracks, tram 2 still running and ending here. And if we go to the next side, there you go, you see, same again. And back to the other side. Now we'll head to Vigador before we head home for some breakfast. There you go, that's at the height now, nearly at the top of the meter. Catch you later.